Hello, wherever you happen to be around the world. This is the scene here at the Stadium of Light. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, and ready to provide expert analysis alongside me is Stuart Robson. And it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. It is Sunderland versus Wolverhampton Wanderers.
As is always the case, the team that dominates midfield will be the team that controls the flow of the game. And that, for me, is the area that's key today.
And the starting 11 for Sunderland.
Well, on paper, they look a very balanced team. But the three advanced midfielders must at times make runs beyond the centre forward. Otherwise, they might just lack a bit of penetration.
And here's the Wolves lineup.
Well, I'm intrigued to see how their two midfield players cope in there today, because they look very isolated. Yes, they're good athletes and skillful players, but it's asking an awful lot of them.
Thank you, Stadium of Light, and enjoy the game.
So, underway, and we expect intensity, passion, and a few goals for good measure. Dan Neil. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Jürgen Strand Larsen. And he takes it away. Regained possession. Lefebvre. Xhaka with it. And that is how to block. Big chance! Oh, just mistimed his run and the flag going up. Kiana Hoover. Matt Doherty. Jürgen Strand Larsen. Clean challenge. Diarra. Granit Xhaka. Reinildo. On to Neil. Granit Xhaka. Luke O'Nien. Xhaka with it. Lefebvre. Real chance. Oh, a challenge of the highest order.
Yeah, that's a great intervention there.
And moving the ball forward with genuine purpose here. Oh, tremendous vision. Well, goal kick, just as it was looking promising. Good weight on that pass. Oh, look at this. A tremendous run. Oh, could be an opportunity here. Oh, can you believe that piece of defending? Over it comes. Found wanting a bit with that delivery. And back to Anthony Patterson. Dan Neil. Granit Xhaka. Counter-attacking chance. Enzo Lefebvre. Wonderfully weighted pass. Oh, it looked really promising for them. John Arias. Oh, shielding the ball admirably. Arias. Can they take the lead? And it's played into the centre. And coolly done in the end. Trey Hume. Now with O'Nien. Neil. Wolves have it once again. John Arias. Munetsi. Now with Hoover. Options in the middle. And that's expert defending.
Yeah, that really did stop the move in its tracks.
Luke O'Nien. And Patterson has it now. Dan Neil. Well, they have the ball once more. And Wolves looking dangerous. That's not a bad ball. Oh, tremendous reflex action there from the keeper.
Well, he didn't have long to react, did he? But that's a top-class save, I have to say.
Let's see about the delivery. Has to clear his lines. And possibilities here. John Arias. Electing to cross into the centre. And a no-nonsense clearance. It's a good Wolves move in the making. But it fizzles out thanks to that piece of defending. Diarra. Oh, good run this. Now what can he do with it? Now opening things up. Priority was to hang on to the ball, which he did. So 1 minute of stoppage time, that's what the officials have said. Delightful pass. So the referee's whistle, and that brings to an end the first half here in the northeast. And away they go again into the second half. Nice looking pass. Will this corner bear fruit for them? Playing it in. Palmed away by the keeper. And pushed onto the bar. Neil.
Well, Wolves should have taken the lead, but what a great save by the goalkeeper that was.
Well, now they've got to concentrate on keeping the door locked. Well, we can give them high marks for their passing, but can they make this pressure count? A very timely interception. Oh, this looks useful. Jürgen Strand Larsen. Well, he dealt with that ball played in rather well. Very quick thinking there. Granit Xhaka. Potential danger here. Can they forge ahead? They do! And you've got to say they're good value for the lead.
Well, this is a brilliant finish. Great awareness, good technique and a bit of composure as well. What an excellent goal that is.
And the ball moving again. What sort of response will we see from them now? Diarra. Could be dangerous. Oh dear, they passed up what was a golden chance.
Well, that's a big opportunity wasted. I'm not sure how he hasn't scored there.
Well, we have 30 minutes to go. And a free kick given. And he whips it in.
This is a message for
Clever
all
defending.
away supporters.
Yeah, that's a clever
You please
interception.
remain seated after the game, and your coach will
Granit
meet you
Xhaka.
at the turnstile. Thank you.
Lefebvre. On to Neil. Well, allowing them to come onto them. Not afraid of that. Chance to do damage. Enzo Lefebvre. Moving the ball nicely. Really good build-up, but no end product. Can he find the right pass? Did well to win the ball back. Enzo Lefebvre. Well, when you're leading, you can afford to be pass happy.
Well, they're making it look so easy here, aren't they?
Dan Neil. Neil. Good movement. Defensive Brazilians to shut them down. Matt Doherty. Emmanuel Agbadu. Munetsi. And the right place to cut out the pass. Dan Neil. Diarra. Xhaka with it. Distributing it well. Well, the keeper had plenty to think about with bodies around him. And easily cut out in the end. Emmanuel Agbadu. Passing it around as the search goes on for an equaliser. Can he get the level? Oh, he really bruised the crossbar. On a time for composure on the ball. Ballard.
Well, time is running out for Wolves. That was a big opportunity to draw level. They should have scored, really.
Yes, a really open flow to the game. End-to-end stuff. Another good-looking attack. And a fine tackle. Good high press. Matt Doherty. Marshall Munetsi. Jurgen Strand-Larsen. There might very well be late excitement. 5 minutes left. And the margin just 1. Might be a chance to break. Diarra. Xhaka with it. And just like that, broken up.
Really snuffed out the danger there.
Decent idea. How about the cross? Gives it a go. And putting his body on the line. Crossing into the middle. Oh, it looked really promising for them. And there it is, the final whistle. The home fans are going to be happy with this result.
Well, Derek, it was very competitive. Chances at both ends, but I feel they were the better team and they deserved their victory.
Well, you know, when our colleagues in the newspapers come out with their grades for this match, he's going to get very high marks.
Well, he gave them a really hard time, didn't he? His speed of thought was excellent and he took the winning goal so well. He was brilliant today.